solution from here. On what is given on the left hand side, factor 4 raised to power x out. You have 4 raised to power x into bracket. It remain 1 plus 1 here. This bracket equals to 100 here. That is this same thing as 4 raised to power x times 1 plus 1, which is 2, equals to 100 on this side. Then we divide both side by 2 here. Divide this side by 2, also divide this side by 2. 2 cancel each other here. And we have 4 raised to power x equals to 100 over 2. That's simply 50. Then, yeah, we take the log on both sides. We have log 4 raised to power x equals to log 50. That is, applying the power law of logarithm, log m raised to power p. The same thing as p log m. This becomes x log 4 equals to log 50 here. Then divide both sides by log 4 here. Divide here by log 4. Also divide this side by log 4. This log 4 cancel each other. And we have x equals to log 50 over log 4. So here we can express 50 as 2 times 25. Then here we have x equals to log 2 times 25 over log 4. This follows the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, which is the same thing as log a plus log b. This, what we have becomes x equals to log 2 plus log 25 over log 4. That is, this follows when we have a plus b over c, which is a over c plus b over c. Also here we have x equals to log 2 over log 4 plus log 25 over log 4. Then we can express 4 here as 2 squared. Also 25, that's 5 squared. Then this equation becomes x equals to log 2 over log 2 squared plus log 5 squared over log 2 squared. So when we apply the power law of logarithm also, that is from log m raised to power p, which is p log m. We have 2 comes there, 5 comes there, and 2 comes there, and we have x equals to log 2 over 2 log 2 plus 2 log 5 over 2 log 2. That is, yeah, log 2 cancel each other. We have x equals to 1 over 2 here, plus here we have 2 cancel each other. Remain log 5 over log 2. Then we apply change of base when we have log a over log b, which is the same thing as log a to base b. Then here we have x equals to 1 over 2 plus log 5 base 2. Then we bring this together as one fraction. We have x equals to, yes, here, that's 2. Here we still have 1 plus, this becomes 2 log 5 base 2. So we have the value of x in this problem as 1 plus 2 log 5 base 2 all over 2. Then we check here if this satisfies this given problem. We substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 1 plus 2 log 5 base 2 all over 2. This, what we have here becomes 4 raised to power 1 plus 2 log 5 base 2 all over 2 plus also 4 raised to power 1 plus 2 log 5 base 2 all over 2. This is equals to 100 on this side. Then here follows when we have a plus a, which we can rewrite as 2 times a. So let's write this, since we have something together, as 2 times 4 raised to power 1 plus 2 log 5 base 2 all over 2. Then is equals to 100 on this side. And from here, we can change 4 as 2 square. Then this equation becomes 2 times 2 square, which is raised to power 1 plus 2 log 5 base 2 over 2. Is it equals to 100 on this side? And this power multiplies, since when we have a raised to power n, raised to power n, this a raised to power n. Then this multiply, plus 2 cancel each other here. We have 2 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 2 log 5 base 2 here is equals to 100 on this side. So apply the law of indices. A raised to power n plus n, same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. As this here we have 2 times 2 raised to power 1 times 2 raised to power 2 log 5 base 2 is equals to 100 on this side. And 2 raised to power 1 is 2, so 2 times 2, then times, we reverse this 2, we have 2 raised to power log 5 square, which is 25 is 2, is equals to 100 here. And 2 times 2 here, 4. Then this follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. And this here we have 25 is equals to 100 on this side. And 4 times 25, we have 100, which is 100 here. Left hand side now equals to the right hand side. And therefore, we conclude that the value of x here, which is 1 plus 2 log 5 base 2 all over 2, satisfy this given problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget this step. Subscribe for more videos and turn the notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, and put your comments. See you next class and bye for now.